Hi, and welcome back. Today, we're going to go ahead and do something with these squash. Now, I've searched the internet far and wide for something other than either squash raviolis or squash soup. Can't really find it. There's vegetable medley. We're going to do a offshoot version of like a vegetable medley and make a kind of like a taco lasagna using the squash as noodles. I don't ever see this on the internet at all. So we're going to experiment. Oh, let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to cut up your squash. I've got like 5 of these, and I've roasted these in the oven. Okay, so you want these nice and cooked and pliable, only because if you put these in raw, number one, you're going to have too much moisture in the lasagna and it's not going to set, and number two, it's going to take forever. So pre-cooking these is the best way to make sure that this is done within like 30 minutes. Got the taco seasoning. I got pasta sauce. Now you can use any pasta sauce that you want. This will even work with the white sauce, but it's personal preference. I went to the Mexican store and got some carnitas, and we're going to add that to the casserole. Now you can use any type of cheese you want. I like the crumbling cheeses for this, because the taco seasoning is going to have enough flavor to it. You don't want to really use cheddar or Colby, because they have their own flavors, and that flavor is going to get lost with all the spices we're going to add. And this is, I'm not going to be able to pronounce that. It's crema, that. No clue. But this is a cheese. This is a very soft cheese. Almost like sour cream, but a little bit thicker. Kind of like maybe, a little bit thicker than yogurt. But it is actually a cheese. And it's one of my favorites. We're also going to add some cherry tomatoes, cut in half. Now, I've already pre-cooked everything and got everything done off of camera, because it's hot. We have a cold front going in through right now, and it's dropped to 100 degrees. It is muggy, and it has been raining. So you can imagine what the house feels like. The sauce goes first, so you don't stick anywhere. We're going to go ahead and layer. We're only going to get 2 layers out of this, because the butternut squash that I have is, even though this is 2 butternut squashes, they're kind of small, and they did shrink up a little bit. Add the meat. Go ahead and get your crumbly cheese all nice and crumbly, because they sell them really packed together for the curds. You kind of don't want the cheese to be melty, at least the ones in the middle. You want if you do want to add some Monterey Jack or something that melts, put it on top. All right, here comes the soft cheese. On top of this is where I'm going to sprinkle the taco seasoning too. because I bought the meat pre-packaged, or the meat already prepared. If you want to, you can just fry up some ground beef or turkey or whatever you use with the seasoning packet as instructed, and then just repeat. I mean, I don't know how this is going to come out on camera, but it's going to taste fantastic. And obviously, I don't do the Pinterest type dishes. Some of my stuff looks absolutely atrocious, but it tastes fantastic, and that's all that matters in your household. Am I correct? There we go. We got 2 more. And right there. Sure, why not? Okay, add the rest of the carnitas. You notice I've got onions already in here and cilantro. It came like that. You can add onions and cilantro if you wish, or any other type of spices you want. Cheese and more cheese. Now here is what's going to be different. I'm going to put the seasonings on here. We're going to put the tomatoes on top. And this is where you're going to want to put the melty cheese on, if that's something you're doing. Now we're going to cover that up at 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes. Nice and bubbly. You typically want to go ahead and let that cool, but I need to edit this. It's a casserole, lasagna style casserole. It's, you know, it smells wonderful. I've got to let that lava cool down before I eat it. That's all I got to strength for today. I completely cleared out all the weeds yesterday in 110 degree weather, and now it's humid and rainy, and my light is about ready to go. I got another one. But I do want to go ahead and let you know, my work schedule is changing again, so I may actually have more time to be able to do things. I'm going to the afternoon shift, which means that I'll have all my mornings ready for me to be able to get things done, including filming. I can do longer videos now. A little bit more detail, a little bit more intense, hopefully. But I digress. I'm going to go ahead and sit down because my allergies, I'm allergic to grass. So every time I mow the lawn, I get puffy and need antihistamines. So I'm going to go lay down. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.